Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how we can change the undo levels or the undo steps in Photoshop. So let's get started. So basically, if we want to go backwards, we simply press or use undo command. So let's say if I did something like this, one more step, and let's say if I want to go backward, so we simply go to edit and we simply press Ctrl Z or click on Ctrl Z, so it goes backward like this. Again, one more time. So we can do this 50 times, so we can go 50 steps backwards using undo command. And one more thing, if we go to window and history panel, so these are the steps that we just performed. Like I will show you one more time. So if I make some more changes like this, so you can see in history panel those steps are recorded like this. If I click, like this, you can see these steps are recorded in the history panel. So what is history panel? So the history panel and the undo levels or the undo steps are similar. So if the default undo levels or steps are 50, then the history steps are also 50. So we can simply click in history steps and go back to the original position, and we can see all the steps that we just performed on this particular image. So basically what I mean, the undo levels and the history steps are similar. So how to change the undo levels or steps? We need to simply go to edit, preferences and performance. So as you can see, history states and undo levels or steps are similar. So if you want to increase or decrease, you can simply put the number that you want, simply like this. But remember one thing, if you put a higher number, it can put a load on your RAM or on your computer, or your computer might lag, or your Photoshop can crash if your RAM is not that much. So make sure that you have a high configured PC. Only then you should increase the undo steps or the history states or the undo levels. But I recommend that keep it to 50 because your PC won't get affected or the Photoshop won't get affected. But if you have graphics card and higher RAM, then you can change the undo steps using the preferences and performance tab. So this is how, but for now I'm not going to change it. So this is how we can change the undo levels in Photoshop. So if you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.